Welcome here to room 428 here at the Scandic Sydhavnen, South Harbor, if we have to translate it, in Copenhagen, Denmark. We have a double bed, queen size. What I say, if we should take those measurements. On each side we have a little plug where we can charge your phone. We have a little table, and on the one side we have a little lamp, and if we go to the other side we also have a plug. We have a little lamp for reading, and we have a big lamp. There's a picture, of course, over the bed, and there is a lot of lighting here. We have plenty of lighting in this room. Many hotels' rooms actually have not that much lighting. This one has plenty of lighting. There's a radiator. There is the view. That's a little difficult to see here. There's some reflection in the glass. We'll take a look in just a minute then. We have a little dish, also with a picture. In the dish we have this little two power sockets, and we have a little lamp we can close off. A little chair, we can sit and do some work. We have a little trash can with some paper and other, and something we don't know what it is. There's a little brochure about your safety. Of course, there's a TV and what times check out and so on. A little stand under the television where you can put your laptop or whatever. And of course, the television. Some more outlets. We have a mirror. We have some hangers here. We have a iron board, and we have a bag where we have the iron in. Then we have a little room here for luggage. We also have some room above luggage. There is also some books. Here at Scandic we don't get the Bible, but we get the good old book of Hygge, the little book of Hygge. Hygge is something very Danish. So if you would like to read some of what Hygge is and what a Hygge-onkel is and Hyggesnak, then there's actually some translation here. Then you also got a book here. You can read Real Nordic Living, where you can see a lot of designer stuff from Denmark and all over the Nordics. Let's put them up again. We got a little card we can fill out if there's something wrong with the room. Of course, a little pen. We have a little pot called for making hot water. Some tea, some coffee, decaf, some pens, some cups, and a drawer. And this little cupboard, we actually have a little safe. So if we have a lot of money or other things we do not wish other people to find, we can put them there. We also have in this cupboard, there's actually some switches down here, so you can actually charge your laptop or whatever when you're not in the room in a cupboard, so anyone can see them. It's a normal little safe. There's some places to hang your coat. A little designer lamp also. There is a escape route, how to escape, and a please not disturb sign. Some light fixtures. You can control the heat. How do you want it? Okay, 15 degrees was a little, let's set it on 20. You can turn it on and choose how fast you want the fan. I don't know if you can hear it right now. It's on medium. If I put it on maximum, you can hear it a little more. And if I put it on low, you can still hear it. So what I usually do when I'm here, I put it on high or medium when I'm not in the room, depending on the season. And then when I am in the room, I turn it off. Especially when I have to sleep. Yes. So let's have a look in the bathroom. bathroom is through the only door that is not the door outside. The bathroom, standard bathroom, some towels, not many towels, but I'm only one person, so enough towels for me. There's some glasses, there's a sink, some soap, more towels, and a hairdryer if needed. I don't need a hairdryer because I don't have any hair. And the shower, we have the normal standard Danish shower, hair and body and soap and conditioner. Not the cleanest in the world, but it's okay. There's of course a toilet and some toilet paper. Lucky us. Yes. Let's have a look at the view. Let's cut off the light so we don't have any reflections, and then let's go and have a look at the view. What we see here is Copenhagen. We are at we call the suburb called Sydhavnen. It's part of Copenhagen. What you can see down there is a lot of trains. We are not so far away from Copenhagen central stations, but still you can walk it, but it's a bit of a walk. But if we turn the camera a little bit, we can actually see that we have a station here, Sydhavnen station, and Sydhavnen station goes directly. There is one stop, and then you have, and then you're on the center of Copenhagen. You can also, from this hotel, actually walk to metro, so you can take the metro into Copenhagen. It's a relatively okay hotel for the price, and it's close to Copenhagen. Could be closer, but if you have a car, it's actually pretty reasonable priced parking here. Where in the middle of Copenhagen, the parking prices are a lot more expensive, and it could be a lot more difficult to drive there. It's not difficult to drive in Copenhagen, but more difficult than driving to Sydhavnen. I'll show on the map where this hotel is. All Scandic's hotels are actually almost identical, not 100%, but they are almost. Let's find there or the light switch. Yes. So this is the room, Scandic Sydhavnen. Thank you for joining me on this tour. I hope you could use the information. Okay, let's have a look on the map. We have Scandic Sydhavnen down here, and right here we have the train station where the trains actually will go into Copenhagen Central Station. They will make one stop, and then Central Station, where you have Tivoli, you have Strøget, and you have Rundetårn. You can also take the metro. There's a metro station here, and there's a metro station here. Little more of a walk, but there is a metro station. From Copenhagen Central Station, you can also take the metro and use all the metro lines there is in Copenhagen. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tour. And if you like to book a hotel stay at Scandic Sydhavnen, please find a link in the description. Please subscribe and press the bell for notification. See you next time.